What's up, peckers? What y'all doing? Huh? Yeah, I see ya. Yeah, I see ya. I see ya. Everybody's showing off. All right. Wow, getting brave. The old homestead. Well, starting to get it scratched out now. Thinking about digging some trenches, putting some soil in that, and then building up mounds and planting on that. That give me a little bit more depth down in the ground than just build them up off the top. So, man, this is hard going, all these rocks. All right, I'm trying to get Kes to take a break, but he won't get off the tractor. Oh, he's stuck on a rock or something. Man, I'm so sick of looking at that view. So sick of it. Green Acres is the place to be. Farm living is the life for me. What do y'all think? Put a bunch of baby oil on this stuff and get an inner tube? Oh yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Little redneck ingenuity right there. Oh, by the way, so a whistleblower came out and said we have alien aircraft now, that we've been in possession of it for decades. Kind of something else I do on the side, follow this kind of stuff. Anyway, everybody's freaking out and they're like, oh my God. Well, guess what? These things have been around for a long time, and I haven't seen them start attacking us yet. Like, you know, we don't need Will Smith up there fighting them off just yet. So, hey, wouldn't that be cool though? Will Smith fighting the aliens now. I bet you he'd just slap them, just like, whoosh, keep my wife's name out of your mouth.